After all, we can't just build, we have to think, we have to aspire, we have to dream. That's the way of the future. We've got to do it in a way that pays attention to our society, to our culture, and to our planet. So I welcome the idea that Canvas has brought us all together to think and talk and dream.
Tonight, we gather to exchange ideas, inspire action, and build bridges between dreams and delivery.
Together, we can build sustainable, energy-efficient spaces that not only can set global benchmarks, but also significantly evolve the lives of our people.
India's growth story isn't just about numbers on a graph. It is the sweat of visionaries, the expertise of builders, and the courage to dream bigger.
In this journey towards a Viksit Bharat, Jaquar stands along with you as a collaborator, as a catalyst, and as a committed Indian brand dedicated to global excellence.
Canvas, however, is all about you, about us. The celebration of India's journey, bold, brave, and building its tomorrow today. We've gathered here not only to admire structures and technologies, but honor the visionaries, manufacturers of dreams, and the builders of a nation that refuses to stand still. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, I'd prefer to be formal tonight, Dr. Shashi Tharoor.
We all know that real estate is a major engine of growth for our country, that what you folks are doing in real estate is fundamental to powering the growth and development of India. You are helping people to dream of better lives for themselves. And that's, of course, what Jaquar has been doing. Like the fact that this building we are in right now, which apart from its extraordinary architecture and design, is also an LEED Platinum certified building. That is one of the greenest buildings in the world, not just in our country. They are green in a way that respects the principle that all of us and all of you, I urge you as real estate developers to think about. So when we make in India, and you say rightly you make in India for the world, I'm proud of you, but you're also making India. But I just want to say how good it is to be with all of you at the start of what should be a very interesting Canvas 2025. Jai Hind.
I know it is a very unfair comparison because of the democracy and the kind of challenges that we face. But what do you think India can do better in spaces like, say, real estate? Because everyone here is a stakeholder in that sector. Where do you think we can get up to speed as far as the India versus China debate goes?
We have to understand that self-reliance is essential. It's about believing in ourselves. We can make in India for the world, yes, but make in India for Indians first. And make sure that when we make in India for Indians, we do so in a way that ensures that we give Indians the same sort of quality that we're prepared to offer the rest of the world. One of the most remarkable things is the number of Indians who are now heading Fortune 500 companies around the world. Why is this happening? It's because the talent we have is world-class talent. We need to develop more of it and use more of it here in India for ourselves and for the world.